Very warm welcome and thanks for joining to the InMind Cloud's webinar series Connect X 2019, the Manufacturing Sales Solution.
Manufacturing X supports different go-to-market models, direct sales, distribution sales, and also customer self-service portal scenarios. I can simply pick the machines that I like to offer. If I choose that I want to produce 100 to 200 lenses per hour, again, my solution portfolio of the machines will be limited. As a customer, it should be extremely easy to create an order for spare parts and consumables. So we have a very easy version of the product catalog also available here. And you see only the products which are relevant for you. For instance, we can choose spare parts and maybe some complementary equipment.
Thanks, Falk. Features and functions are great, but what my customers actually care about are actually values and benefits for their business.